For beating the Adamson Lady Falcons 74-52. The Lady Bulldogs are now at 5-0. We have Coach Aris Tiongnan, Angel Serrada, and Dean Cayabia. Coach Aris, congratulations for this victory. You guys pulled away in the second half. What can you say about your team's performance today compared to the last time?
Going to this game, the goal was after the final buzzer, we want to keep the top spot because we know for a fact that Adamson was also gunning for top spot in today's game, diba?
Yeah.
So that was the challenge for us going to this game, and we kind of started slow during the first quarter and the second quarter, and we needed that halftime break to parang somehow gisingin yung mga players and remind them of what we are supposed to do. And we responded in the third quarter. We outscored them by 9, 17-8. And I'm glad that in the fourth, for the past 2 games, we are losing fourth quarters. And today, we won by 7 points in the fourth. So, maganda yun for us moving forward. As we play this game, we just have to keep on improving. And it's always tough to play an Adamson team na pumipick up ng game nila, and they are vastly improved with their coach leading them, and the Adishinas, the Etang, the Padillas are playing very, very well this year. And we're just glad that kahit maganda yung nilaro nila, we got the win and kept the #1 spot. Also, I have to commend Clarin, Sisi Clarin, though she doesn't score any today, but her presence was felt on the defensive side and on the facilitating side, because she had 9 assists in today's game. Regardless if she doesn't score or not, kapagbigay siya ng ibang impact sa game. That's defense and assisting. Again, with these two guys, these two ladies beside me playing well, and then mas maganda yung nagiging chances.
Thank you to Angel at 14.6 rebounds, 3 assists, 4 steals, and 1 block and plus 12. So, yun nga, team effort yung nagdala sa inyo today. Although si CC scoreless, yeah, 9 assists. So, what's the testament for this game? Ang testament?
Angel?
Okay, ano yung ibig sabihin ng ganitong performance ng team effort?
Ano po, everyone was ready to step up, and yun nga po, tulong-tulungan lang sa loob ng court and makinig lang sa game plan.
Thank you. To team, you had 11 points, 4 rebounds, 1 assist. So, alam mo, sabi mo na yun nga, medyo galing kayo sa mahirap na game, tsaka yung first half nyo, dikit, tsaka nakaliyo kayo. Ito yung hinahanap yun na emulate Bulldogs, yung ganun lang tulad second half.
Yun na, like, sabi ni Coach Aris na medyo off kami nung first half, but nung second half, nagtrabaho kami ulit, kasi we know na hindi ganun yung laro namin. And ayun, ginawa lang namin yung game plan namin, sumunod lang kami kay Coach Aris, and yun, dun kami nakalamang sa second half.
Thank you, Team. The floor is open.
Coach, ako masabi natin doon sa base ng baba natin, both ends of the floor, on defense and on offense. Kahit na dami yung turnover, magkalapit lang. Pero ang laki ng difference doon sa points of turnover, 28-10. Tapos, hindi sila hinayaan makascore. Ano masabi niyo, was that part of the game na takbuhan ng takbuhan niyo?
Siyempre, alam na natin college basketball is up and down. Almost for 40 minutes up and down. So the challenge really will be how well you could shift your focus and your effort from a possession, regardless kung from the defensive side going to your offense or from your offense going to your defense. So those things are being taught and those things are being discussed during practices, and hoping that we could translate that during games. And I'm glad that today we were able to do so. Though we turned the ball over 24 times, that's a lot, especially me sa kanila, ayaw na ayaw ko yung ganitong kalaki, lumolobo yung turnovers namin. Kasi it would give extra possessions sa other teams. Mahirap yan kung medyo di kita yung game, mas mawawalan kami ng chance. So, still, though we turned the ball over that many times, we still managed to get some stops and score them on transition baskets.
Para sa players, kasi parang so far sa mga panalo nyo, wala namang singular na talagang umaangat na top scorer, gano'n. Parang lagi siyang team effort. Siguro personally sa inyo, paano nyo na lang pinifigure out kung anong role or ano yung kailangan sa inyo ng team per game? Paano kayo nag-a-adjust na ano yung ibibigay nyo this time around, depende sa kalaban nyo?
Kasi sa amin, like, syempre, hindi naman yun like, pinag-uusapan. So, which is, pakiramdaman na kung nakikita mo yung isa na mainit, like, kunwari, lagi siya nakakashoot ng three. So, ikaw, bilang ako, kunwari ako, mag-step up ako na lagi ko siyang papasahan para mas, alam mo yun, pantay lang yung maging way na assist ko, score niya. Yun naman talaga yung gusto namin is yung manalo and hindi naman din basta-basta like na paangatan kami ng score. Ayun.
Ikaw, Agent.
Yun nga po, sabi ni Tine, kung sinong mainit, siya po yung Philippine namin. Ano po, yun po yung kinagandahan ng NU team. Walang superstar. Lahat yun. Kung off ka and you can contribute pa naman sa defense or mga ganong bagay po. Yeah.
Coach, na-mention mo na medyo slow start kayo, pero last time naman, medyo tinapos kayo sa dulo. Panalo pero nahabol kayo. Siguro, is it a cause of concern na right now and paano niyo po i-address na for the whole 40 minutes talagang consistent yung level ng play?
Yeah, part of our dream, coach's dream, is to see your team, whatever team you're handling, na makapaglaro ng the entire game ng tama. Pero again, the game will not be perfect, never will be. And you should always credit also the other team for doing their jobs on their part. Pero again, ang sa amin is the level of consistency. Yun yung lagi namin hinahanap. Every single day sa practice, games, ina-address namin yung consistency dahil kailangan namin yung lalo na pagka deep in the playoffs na. So we're using every game as a chance for us to improve. So hopefully magawa namin na paraan yun. Again, there will be lapses in the games, kahit saan game, kahit saan basketball game may lapses. The challenge is kung paano mo ma-minimize yung lapses na yun. And that's what we are trying to do na ma-lessen yung mga lapses na.
Yung sabi ni Coach, slow start kayo. Pero nung pagpasok ng second half, ikaw yung isa sa gumawa kagad na back-to-back 3-pointers. Ano lang siguro naging dating sa yung instructions nila Coach na napag-usapan ng after na yun nga, we need to pick up yung game. Kung bakit nagawa mo rin kagad yung shots.
Siyempre, sumunod lang kami sa pinagawa sa amin ni Coach na which is binigyan niya ng play yung isang player na teammate ko na si Dan. And then, dun sa play na yun, dun na parang naging wide na yung nangyari hanggang sa kaya na-take ko yung dalawang 3 points na sila na yun. Kasi yun nga, we trust each other naman na pag may libre, pinapayagan naman kami na tumira.
Kita ko lang kung paano mo in-embrace yung chances na nakuha ka.
Sa akin naman, kasi yung mga ganung opportunity, syempre, mindset ko lang yung step up. Yung talaga kasi, kung walang mag-step up sa amin, syempre mahihirapan din kami lumayo sa opponent namin.
And to Angel, at 5-0, siguro ano lang pakiramdam na kahit na sabi nga ni Coach may mga kulang pa, pero nakikita niyo yung results kumbaga na ayun nga, 5-0 and kayo yung top in something.
Masaya po, pero hindi pa rin po kami satisfied lalo madami pa rin po kaming na commit na errors. Parang sabi nga ni Coach, deep in the playoffs, parang kailangan mas yung decision making, mas less error.
Coach, na-mention mo na kanina si CC, pero ano na lang yung masasabi mo dun sa parang presence of mind niya na knowing na hindi pumapasok ng mga tira niya pero very willing siya to contribute in other ways. Parang, what does that say about Clarin po para sa'yo?
I think it's a testament of how mature she is right now. Because maybe pag bata yung player, ang nasa isip lang ng player is to score, diba? Pero there are a lot of fields and departments in this game that you could put an impact on: defense, backside, defending, making right decisions, making good passes, all of those. I'm glad that I'm seeing that through Sisi's eyes na she doesn't get affected if she doesn't score. Kasi nga marami siyang kayang ibigay. Just being in tip-top shape, marami siyang kayang ibigay sa team namin na magiging impact siya sa game. Not just only in scoring. Scoring will be bonus for her and for us. And imagine kung makaka-score pa siya, this game will be blown out right away. Pero yun nga, it's a testament of Sisi's maturity in the game, being here in the league for so long already. She knows what to do already, and hopefully ma-develop pa niya yung pagiging leader niya moving forward for our campaign this year.
Congratulations, Coach Aris and